That's my best friend.
Channel. I am your host Shonda. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, you guys, we're going to be talking about creating t-shirt dresses. Yes, so if you guys have been on this journey with me, you pretty much know that I teach you guys how to make just about everything they have here on Redbubble. Just so you know, it's for people who, get kind of stuck and are not really computer literate. So a lot of people are at home now doing at home jobs. So it's my way of giving back to help. So today I wanted to make a real fun t-shirt dress. I know we have made a lot of other items and I thought it would be great to make a t-shirt dress. We did hoodies the last time. There were hoodies the last time I did a video, and I have been gone for a while. I've just been so busy, but I am back now. So, did you guys miss me? Yeah, so let's get into the t-shirt dress, you guys. I want to make something real fun. I have my artwork already picked out, and let me show you how to go ahead and put it on this dress. All right, so if you want to go over to your Redbubble, I'm over here now. So what I want to do, I'm going to move my screen over a little bit. We'll just put it right here in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and upload some artwork here. As I said before, I do have it already picked out. So I'm feeling something fun, feeling something fashionable. And you guys, you can wear your t-shirt dresses with like the boots and everything on and the jean jackets. That's how I usually style mine because most of them are short sleeves. So I usually put like, since it's getting colder outside, I'll usually put like the jean jacket with it. And you can wear leggings, you can wear the tights, you can wear boots, whatever floats your boat. So I just felt like this would be something fun to do. So I already have my artwork here. I'm gonna go ahead and select it. It is the graffiti and we're gonna upload it. So I'm gonna name my title graffiti. I think it's 1T, 1F. Graffiti fun. Oh, I think it must be 2T's. Yeah, 2T's. And then we can put our tags in. Dress, fun, t-shirt, dress. And you could go ahead and put jeans, leggings, whatever you like. You can put as many tags as you like. The description, that's up to you. So I'm going to disable everything because we're just going to focus on the dresses today. And it's going to be your graphic t-shirt dress. And let's go ahead and enable this. And let's go ahead and select it so we can see the size. So the size for your dresses is going to be 14 pixels by 89 pixels. So as you can see, my pixels, my image pretty much covers the entire space for the dress, which is gonna be a great deal. So you want to make sure that it's covering. Now, if you want to do something weird, like, just put one stripe across or something like that, or like the numbers on the dress, or something like that, it doesn't have to cover the entire image. You're just going to place it where you want it to be, whether if it's in the middle, if it's in the upper right hand corner, or what have you. So you want to go ahead and just apply changes. Oh, this pillow is really cute, a graffiti pillow. I love it. I may just leave that one on because I like it so much. Everything is just wonderful. It looks beautiful. So look at my dress, you guys. This is gonna be funky. So if you go ahead and, no, we can't look at it until we're finished. So let's go ahead. I'm going to disable the phone. I'm gonna leave the pillow and the mouse pad. Everything looks really good in this with this image, but I bet you the leggings would look cute too. The mini skirt, I'm gonna enable that one. The cup, I love them all. Disable the scarves, it's not big enough. So everything is looking really, really good. I even like the mask. I'm gonna enable the mask as well. Disable this one. I'm gonna use the button. Ooh, look at the apron. Nice. That one's disabled. The sleeveless t-shirt. This pillow was not wide enough, so we're gonna leave that like that. We can leave the phone wallet enabled as well. The backpack is nice. The socks, not big enough. The leggings look really cool. We have the mask. That one's already enabled, and the book bag, not big enough, so we'll leave that one like that. So let's go ahead and select digital art. And is this mature content? No. And then we'll go ahead and save our work. Are you guys ready for the holidays? I am not. No, I am not. But I will be shopping online, not at the stores. I might go out a little while because I do get in the Christmas spirit and like to go and see lights and things like that. Even though it's weird out here because it's cold. I mean, it's kind of chilly, but there's no snow or anything. So it's weird. But let's go down and take a look at our dress. Look at the skirt. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, you guys, I'm really thinking about coming out with my own brand. This dress, let's take a look at it. So to view it, you want to click on these three arrows here and then hit view product page. And it will pop up. You have all your different sizes from extra small to 2XL, which is cool. So just to let you guys know, the back side of this dress is, as you can see, it's gonna be all a basic black on the back, and then the front side is gonna have your design on it. So your design is only going to be on the front side, and the back is gonna be fully black. So I just wanted to make sure. Here's another photo of it that you guys can see really well. The back photo and then the front. For some reason, they don't put the image on both sides, but I think it looks good like this too. But for like the sweatshirts or the t-shirts, I would like an image on the back side of it. Just, you know, sometimes you want stuff on the back, sometimes you want stuff on the front and the back, or you only able to do the front or the back, not the front and the back. So that's how it looks. What do you guys think? So you can make your own designer dresses, which will be really, really cool. And I think I really want to get into that because I really like how the skirt and I actually like the sleeveless tops too. So I think that could be really cool. All right. So yeah, you guys, that's how you make a t-shirt dress. There's some more designs down here that I've made. I'd like to take a look. Um, this is my store, El Ross, in case you guys want to take a look at it. And then just to let you know too, the standard price for these are $41.20. And then down here, they will show you some more similar designs from other designers. So yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool too. So they'll give you some ideas, but don't steal from the ideas, you guys. All right, so let me know how you like that. Let me know what else you would like to see in the next video. But that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.